Feast your eyes on this Model S wrapped in a 3M Satin Dark Gray. We're talking sleek, stealthy, and seriously stylish. With this Satin Dark Gray, we've taken this Model S from an everyday elegance to VIP luxury. It's that perfect middle ground between gloss and matte, bold without the flash, refined without the shine. Our team at Uniseal was hyped to work on this wrap. Wrapping a Tesla is like outfitting a sports car with a tux. We made sure every inch was flawless from the fenders to the tail. And when this beauty hits the road, it's all eyes on you. The satin finish creates an understated shine in the light and a stealthy shadow effect at night. It's subtle, but speaks volumes. If you're looking to make a statement, look no further. This 3M Dark Satin Gray wrap is built to turn heads, and we're ready to make it happen for your ride.